Take a look at it. The mower did its job. The broad strokes are done. From across the street, it looks finished. But you and I know better. Look at the driveway. Look at the fence line. The grass is creeping over the concrete. A yard without clean edges is just a field. It's time to do the detail work. We're going to walk the perimeter. Down the driveway. Around the mailbox. Along the chain link in the back. And around the oak tree. The mower is a blunt instrument. This is finished carpentry. We aren't just cutting grass anymore. We're drawing the line between the wild and the civilized. Know your route before you pick up the tool. Check the head. Give the spool a turn. You got enough line in there? Last thing you want is to run out of string when you're in the zone. Pop the cap on the tank. Smell that? That's 50-to-1 mixed gas. Oil and fuel working together. Shake it up. Make sure she's drinking right today. It's lighter than the mower, but it's gonna ask more of your shoulders. There are no wheels to carry the weight here. You are the chassis. Just stand here a second. Feel the heat coming off the driveway. It's tempting to call it a day, say good enough, and go inside. But we don't do good enough here. We finish what we start. Those edges where the grass meets the concrete, that's where things get messy. It's easy to manage the middle of the yard. It's the borders that try to creep up on you. Same as life. If you don't define your boundaries, the world is just going to grow right over them. Today, we push the world back an inch. Pick it up by the loop handle. Feel the balance point. It's a long shaft of aluminum and plastic, but right now, it's an extension of your arm. Leave your phone inside. Leave the arguments from yesterday on the workbench. All you need to focus on is a piece of nylon spinning at 8,000 RPMs, glasses on. Mandatory. I'm not asking. This thing is going to throw pebbles, dirt, and wood chips right at your face. Protect your eyes. Protect your vision. We're getting down into the dirt today, and the dirt fights back. A two-stroke engine is a different animal. It doesn't rumble, it snaps. It's high compression. It takes a sharp, deliberate pull to wake it up. Prime the bulb. Flip the choke. Get your grip right. It's going to scream when it fires, and you need to be ready for it. Smell that unburnt fuel in the air. The birds are singing right now. Enjoy it. Because in about 10 seconds, we're going to drown them out with the high-pitched whine of getting things done. Take a breath. Find your center of gravity. All right. Here we go. Short, sharp pull. Give it a squeeze of the throttle to clear its throat. Hear that? That angry little hornet's nest. That's the sound of precision. Let's go make some lines. All right. Walk over to the driveway. Turn the shaft 90 degrees. We aren't sweeping. We're edging. Put the spinning string right in that groove where the dirt meets the driveway. Hit the throttle. Feel that? That's the kickback from the concrete. Don't fight it. Ride it. Look at that dirt flying. Smell the pulverized concrete and the two-cycle exhaust. It's sharp. It's aggressive. You're carving a canyon right here on the suburban borderline. Keep your wrist locked. Let the tool do the chewing. Watch your feet. Walk backwards slowly. Keep your eyes on the string, not the end of the driveway. If you look too far ahead, your line gets sloppy. Just focus on the next 3 inches. The next 3 inches are the only thing that matters right now. Hear that change in pitch? The string is getting short. It's wearing down against the stone. Don't stop. Just tap the head on the ground. Bump. Feel the centrifugal force pull the new string out. The engine bogs down for half a second, then screams back up. It's a beautiful system. It feeds itself if you just give it a knock. Look at that line you're leaving. Crisp. Straight. Like it was cut with a laser. It's amazing what a piece of plastic string can do when it's moving fast enough. the fence now. Turn the head back over, flat to the ground. Now we sweep. Side to side. Feather the throttle. You don't need it wide open for this. Just a steady, rhythmic sweep. Getting close to the chain link. Don't bury the string in the wire, or it'll chew your spool to pieces. Get close enough to scare the grass, but not enough to touch the steel. It's about control. It's about knowing exactly how far your reach is. Look at the clippings sticking to your boots. You're wearing the work. The mower keeps you clean. The weed whacker makes you part of the yard. You're going to smell like 2-cycle oil and green sap for the rest of the day. Wear it like a badge. The whine of this engine. It's different than the mower. The mower is a hum. This is a scream. It demands your attention. It forces everything else out of your head. You can't worry about the mortgage when there's an angry hornet 2 feet from your boots. It's a loud kind of peace. Watch that corner. The grass always grows thicker where the sun doesn't hit right. It hides there. Sweep it out. Bring it into the light. Cut it down to size. Nothing gets to hide in the corners today. All right, we're out in the middle now. The oak tree. Ease off the gas. This isn't the driveway. If you hit the trunk at full throttle, you'll strip the bark. You'll hurt the tree. Finesse, Gary, finesse. Short bursts. Bzzzt, bzzzt. Tip the head down just a fraction. Get the weeds at the root, but leave the bark alone. It takes patience to work around the fragile things. It's easy to destroy. It's hard to clean up without doing damage. Around the mailbox post now. The wood is soft here. Hover the string. You're painting with nylon. Look at how clean that looks now. Just a perfect circle of trimmed grass around a solid post. Respecting the obstacles, but not letting them stop the work. Your shoulders are heavy. The strap is digging into your neck. We're in the thick of it now. The novelty is gone. And it's just endurance. Keep the sweep steady. Don't get sloppy just because you're tired. How you do the last 20% is how you do everything. Coming around the back patio. This is it. The last stretch. Hit that one dandelion that thought it survived the mower. Zap. Gone. Clean up the edge of the pavers. Make it sharp. That's the loop. We're back where we started. Take a look at your work. The yard is boxed in. The edges are sharp. In a second, I'm going to tell you to hit the kill switch. When the engine stops, your ears are going to ring. Just let them. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Listen to that. That ringing in your ears? That's the echo of the work. Feel your hands. They're tingling. Vibrating like tuning forks. That means the blood is flowing. That means you're alive. Set the tool down on the concrete. Take off the glasses. Wipe the sweat off your forehead with the back of your hand. Now look at the driveway. Look at that line. It's perfect. The mower makes the yard look good from the street. But the edging is for you. It's the proof that you care about the details. It's the proof that you don't cut corners, even when nobody's watching. You took the time to define the boundaries. Listen to the exhaust pinging as the muffler cools down. The smell of the mixed gas is starting to blow away in the breeze. The birds are coming back. The world is returning to normal. But it's a better normal now, because you put your hands on it. You're going to take a shower, and you're still going to smell a little bit of 2-cycle oil on your hands at dinner tonight. Don't scrub it all off. Keep a little bit of it. It's a reminder that you own your space. You maintain your life. Go put the whacker back on the hook in the garage. Grab a cold drink from the fridge. Sit on the porch. Look at those edges. You earned this quiet, Gary. I mean it. Good work today. Keep your edges sharp. And keep your head right.